I just got the package of frames I ordered from Amazon, and this is the package they came in. They actually came all stacked in one package. So I'm going to open them up and show you what they look like and if they're quality or not. So here's one of the frames out of the package. So I wouldn't say it's real cheap, but I wouldn't say it's real quality either. I would say in between, because it is light and not as heavy as I wanted it to be. And then it just has this cardboard on the back. But it does have a place where you can hang it. And it also has the stand where you can just place it. So a few good qualities out of it. And it also works. It's just really trying to give our family a recent picture. So it's going to work for what I need. Now, as far as the frame, you could put a 4x6 here in the middle, or you could put a 5x7 without the mat. I'm going to put a 4x6 because I do like a matted frame to kind of give the frame a little more look to it. This is how thick the frame is. Not too thin and not too thick. And then just showing you the back again. Does have 4 places to secure the picture, keep it held in place. So like I said, it's going to do the job. I'm happy with the price for 6 of them, so it really worked out for me. And I hope this information was helpful, and y'all have a great day.